Hey guys, just last week I learned how to solve a 4x4 from a guy named Jaipur. His tutorials are so concise, so you can learn it easy. I am now averaging about a minute on the 4x4, which is kind of surprising to a beginner like me. Skip 150 to see what's next. If you want to see my times at the 4x4, just keep watching on, and you'll know what the time is at the end. I'm not so good at 4x4. Just now learned 4x4, and that's so easy. You could see I got a 1,455. On this week 1 of 5x5, I learned how to solve the centers most easily and the efficient way. And the method I learned is called the YAW, which is kind of the fastest method that I've ever seen. After finishing the first two centers, I'll make the first 3 cross edges on the front of like this. Not like this I'll make, but I'm gonna make this way only because this is the easiest way. I'm not super good. I just learned 3 to 3 edge pairing, but I don't know some exception cases. Maybe I'll learn it on the next video that I upload called the week what I learned on week 2 4x4. If I get a situation while pairing up, I will not turn this layer and do the flopping. Instead of doing and swapping or making the swapping algorithm, instead you could directly do like this. Instead you could directly do the normal algorithm and pair it up. I mess up a lot on the color scheme because I just learned 4x4 and I need to memorize colors. For making the last stage, I'm gonna make this blue. If you have a case like this, don't insert it normally but instead insert it using a sledgehammer like this, so you can directly pair up. Now I will do only blue center first because I don't know the proper color scheme. So I'm gonna do blue first. So blue I can do it like this easily and this. And that will solve the blue and influence the red center. Now I'm gonna pair up the red center. But instead doing like this, you could insert it like this. But when you see, the color scheme will be wrong. So instead you should take up and insert it like this. It will be more easy and it will save time. For this edge it's so easy. You could just pair up like this and normal 3 to 3 edge pairing. In this case I can insert it normally. It's already inserted, and in this case also I can insert it normally. Oops, I solved in blue edge. Now I could do normally. If you get this double swap case, you should first insert it, replace it with an unsolved edge, insert this, solve this edge, and insert. That will solve. Now the normal 3x3 stage. I'm more faster 3x3 because I practice a lot 3x3 than 4x4. Because I just got a good 4x4, but this is a budget 4x4. 4x4 is the MFJ's Nilong 4x4 unmagnetized version of it. So this cube feels like an magnetic for Chi Wuxue. But this cube is super easy. Oops, I got an emperor. Do you know the fact that NPerms are the most hardest PLLs of all? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye.